Hello student, I am Sangeeta Mansukhani and this video number 12 and this video related of the class 11th chapter number 8 redox reaction. In the last video chapter over and in this video I will be explain textual exercise questions. So let us start. Question number first. Assign oxidation number to the underlying elements in each of the following species. So underlying elements we have to find oxidation number. First question is NaH2PO4. So let underline element P, phosphorus. So let X be the oxidation number of P and oxidation number of Na plus 1, oxidation number of hydrogen plus 1 and oxidation number of O minus 2. So we put the value Na plus 1, only one element, so 1 into 1 plus 1. Then hydrogen plus 1, 2 elements, so 2 into plus 1. Phosphorus underline, so X, 1 into X. Oxygen minus 2 and 4 elements, so 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So we have to calculate plus 1 plus 2 plus X minus 8 is equal to 0. So calculate X is equal to plus 5. So therefore oxidation number of phosphorus is plus 5. Second, NaHSO4. So we have to find assign oxidation number to underlying element which? Sulfur. Here you see NaHSO4. Na plus 1, 1 into plus 1, hydrogen plus 1, plus sulfur underline, so plus 1 into X and oxygen minus 2 multiply 4 is equal to 0. So 1 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1, 1x, x and minus 2 multiply 4 minus 8 is equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 8 plus 2 minus 6 going to the right side plus 6. So therefore oxidation number of sulfur is plus 6. Then third example, third question is H4P2O7. Hydrogen, here underline element phosphorus. So let X be the oxidation number of phosphorus, oxidation number of hydrogen plus 1, oxidation number of oxygen minus 2. So then put the value hydrogen plus 1 multiply 4, 4 into plus 1 plus phosphorus X. So here 2, so 2 into X plus oxygen 7, so minus 2 is equal to 0. So 4 in plus 1, 4, 2x minus 7 to the 14 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 14 plus 4 minus 10 going to the right side plus 10. So divide, then x is equal to plus 5. So therefore oxidation number of phosphorus is plus 5. Then fourth, K2MnO4. So here underline Mn. So let X be the oxidation number of Mn, oxidation number of K plus 1, oxidation number of O minus 2. So put the value potassium plus 1 multiply 2, manganese plus X, then plus oxygen minus 2 plus multiply 4 is equal to 0. So minus 8 plus 2 minus 6 going to the right side plus 6. So therefore oxidation number of Mn is plus 6. Then fifth example is CaO2, calcium oxide. So here underline element oxygen. So let X be the oxidation number of O. Then so oxidation number of Ca plus 2, here this question CaO2. So oxidation number of Ca plus 2. So put the value Ca plus 2 plus oxygen 2 and X is equal to 0. Then 2 plus 2x is equal to 0. 2 going to the right side, minus 2. So x is equal to minus 1. So therefore oxidation number of oxygen is equal to minus 1. Then NaBH4. So name its sodium borohydride. Sodium borohydride, and that is means here important point, hydrogen has plus 1 oxidation state. But hydride, whenever we pronounce hydride way, NaBH4, sodium borohydride. So here hydrogen hydride form. So that is means its oxidation number minus 1. And Na oxidation number plus 1. And find the oxidation number of B. So Na plus 1 multiply 1, B plus x 1 multiply 1, hydrogen minus 1 multiply 4 is equal to 0, because here hydrogen in hydride form. So NaBH4. So let X be the oxidation number of B. So oxidation number of Na plus 1, hydrogen oxidation number of minus 1. So then hydrogen hydrogen way, so plus 1, hydride form minus 1. So put the value. So plus 1 into plus 1 plus 1 into plus x, and then 4 into minus 1 is equal to 0. So plus 1 a plus x minus 4 is equal to 0. So x is equal to plus 3. So therefore oxidation number of B is plus 3. Then seventh example, H2S2O7. Underline element is sulfur. So let X be the oxidation number of sulfur. So hydrogen plus 1 and oxidation of number of oxygen minus 2. So put the value, hydrogen plus 1 multiply 2 plus sulfur 2x and then plus oxygen S7 minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 plus 2x minus 14 is equal to 0. So 2x is equal to plus 12. So x is equal to plus 6. Then 8th number, KAlSO4 whole twice dot 12H2O. So potassium plus 1, aluminium plus 3 and sulfur we have to find oxidation number, oxygen minus 2 and hydrogen plus 1. So we put the value and then calculate. So one time you calculate with water and second time your choice, because water has a neutral charge, so it is a ignore. So your choice, with water molecule you find the oxidation number of sulfur, otherwise without water molecule. But sulfur has plus 6 oxidation number obtained. Here you see oxidation number of hydrogen is equal to plus 1. So KAlSO4 whole twice. So K plus 1 and Al plus 3 oxidation number and sulfur 2 molecules. So 2x plus oxygen minus 2 and 8. Then plus 24 plus 1 hydrogen and plus 12 multiply minus 2 is equal to 0, because formula is KAlSO4 2 dot 12H2O. Okay, so we calculate. So 2x is equal to plus 12, x is equal to plus 6. Oxidation number of sulfur is plus 6 obtained. Other method is ignore the water molecule because it is neutral, and summation of the oxidation of number of all atoms water molecules can be taken as 0. So ignore the water molecules, and then without water molecule we put the value. So again oxidation number of sulfur is plus 6 obtained. Then question number second. What are the oxidation number of the underlying elements in each of the following, and how do you rationalize your result? So these oxidation number we have to find. First question is Ki3. So underlying element I. So let X be the oxidation number of I, oxidation number of K plus 1. So then put the value K 1 multiply plus 1 plus iodine 3x is equal to 0. So 1 plus 3x is equal to 0. So x value is equal to 1 going to the right side, minus 1 by 3. So minus 1 by 3 obtained. So oxidation number cannot be fractional because consider the structure of Ki3. Here you see K plus iodine, I, so 3I, one side in Ki3 molecule, and iodine atoms forms coordinated covalent bond with an iodine molecule. Coordinated iodine atom, single atom, forms coordinated covalent bond with an iodine molecule. So this is the structure, and this I attached between way, so 0 oxidation number, and this is also 0. So K, put the value because plus 1 and iodine we have to find, so minus 1. So oxidation number of I atoms forming the molecule I2 is 0. So while the oxidation number of I atom which is forming coordinated bond is minus 1. Then next example is H2S4O6. So sulfur we have to find oxidation number. So let X be the oxidation number of sulfur. So oxidation number of hydrogen plus 1, oxygen minus 2. Then put the value hydrogen 2 plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 6 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So 2 plus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. So 4x is equal to 10. So we have to find x is equal to plus 2 and half. But oxidation number cannot be fractional. So sulfur would be present with different oxidation state in molecule. See, H, 4 sulfur attached, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 sulfur attached, 3 oxygen, another also 3. So in between sulfur is 0 oxidation state. 0 oxidation state, and this sulfur, see, minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 6. So plus 1, plus 5 obtain oxidation number. And this sulfur also minus 2, minus 2, minus 2, minus 6, and plus 1, plus 5. But this sulfur in between two sulfur atoms, so it will have 0 charge. So the oxidation number of 2 out of 4 sulfur atom plus 5, and that other of 2 atom is 0. Third question of this Fe3O4. Fe, let X be the oxidation number of Fe, oxidation number of O minus 2, then put the value 3x plus 4 into minus 2 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 8 is equal to 0. So value find x is equal to 8 by 3. But oxidation number cannot be fractional. So one of the 3 atoms of Fe has oxidation number of plus 2, and 2 atoms of Fe has oxidation number plus 3. See, this way, because Fe3O4 written this way formula, FeO dot Fe2O3. So here FeO, this is minus 2, so x minus 2 is equal to 0. So this Fe obtained plus 2 oxidation number. And Fe2O3, 2 Fe, so 2x plus minus 2 multiply 3 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 6 is equal to 0, x is equal to plus 3. So this Fe atom obtained plus 3 oxidation number. Then fourth example, see, CS3 CH2 OH. 2 carbon C2, 3 to 5 and 6 H6O. So let X be the oxidation number of carbon, oxidation number of oxygen -2 and oxidation number of hydrogen +1. Then put the value 2X plus hydrogen +1, 6 plus 1 plus oxygen plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. So here obtain X is equal to -2. So oxidation number of carbon is -2. Then next fifth number CH3COOH, we have to find oxidation number of carbon X. So let X be the oxidation number of carbon. We have to write also C2H4O2. So we have to find according to this formula oxygen -2 and hydrogen +1. Put the value 2X plus 4 into +1 plus 2 into -2 is equal to 0. So X is equal to 0 we have to find. So average oxidation number of carbon is 0. So both the carbon atoms are present in different environments, so they cannot have same oxidation number. So therefore carbon has oxidation number of +2 and -2 in CH3COOH. Here you see this is the structure of CH3 and COOH. This carbon attached with +3, so and here carbon. So first we have to find this carbon oxidation number. So this carbon have oxygen -2 and hydrogen +1. Okay, so -2 here -2 and -1, -3 and +1 -2. So this carbon obtain -2 oxidation number and here +3. Okay, so one carbon have obtained +2 and another -2 in CH3COOH. Then question number 3, justify that the following reaction are redox reaction. So you already known about justify that the following reactions are redox reaction. So first example, CuO plus H2 gas convert into the copper solid and H2O gas. So here first we have to see CuO plus H2 gas and Cu and H2O. But first you already known about redox reaction. Whenever oxidation and reduction both occur simultaneously, so it is known as redox reaction. And gain of electron, it is known as reduction and decrease of oxidation number. You electron basis you say gain of electron, otherwise decrease oxidation number, reduction. Loss of electron, otherwise increase oxidation number, it is known as oxidation. So here you see oxidation number of copper +2 and oxygen -2. Hydrogen elemental 0, copper 0 and hydrogen 1 +1 and oxygen -2. So here copper +2 convert into the 0. So here copper +2 decrease from +2 to 0. So it is reduced to copper. And here oxidation number hydrogen 0 to +1. So increase. So it is oxidized. So therefore the reaction is redox reaction. Second example, Fe2O3 solid 3CO gas convert into the 2Fe plus 3CO2 gas. So Fe plus 3, carbon plus 2, oxygen -2, Fe0 elemental, carbon plus 4, oxygen -2. So here you see Fe plus 3 to convert 0. So that is means Fe oxidation number of Fe decrease from Fe to 0. So that is means it is reduced to Fe, and carbon +2 to +4. So increase oxidation number. It is oxidized. So oxidation and reduction both of occur. So that is means this reaction also redox reaction. Another example, question number 3rd, 4th and 5th of question number 2nd. It is you practice and see. It is your homework. 3rd and 4th and 5th of question number 2nd. Next question number third, I will be explain. Start from third. Start from in the next video. Thank you so much.